Throughout history, civilizations have left behind traces of their existence. Some we understand, and others remain shrouded in mystery. Today, we're unveiling 25 mysterious buildings built by unknown geniuses, where the how and why remain unanswered to this day. Stick around because the final entry may redefine everything you think you know about human history. Before we begin, please subscribe to join us on this journey. 25. Tiahuanaco and Puma Punku, Bolivia. High in the Bolivian Andes lies the ruins of Tiahuanaco, home to Puma Punku, a site that defies explanation. Enormous stone blocks weighing hundreds of tons are carved with laser-like precision. The methods used by the pre-Incan builders remain an enigma, as no tools have ever been found. 24. The unfinished obelisk, Egypt. In a quarry near Aswan, Egypt, lies a colossal obelisk left incomplete. If finished, it would have been the largest single piece of stone ever carved. But why was it abandoned, and how did ancient Egyptians plan to move it without modern technology? The answers are lost in time. 23. Nan Madol, Micronesia. In the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Micronesia, is the haunting city of Nan Madol. Built on a network of coral platforms, its construction required the transportation of basalt pillars weighing tons. No one knows how this ancient society managed such a feat or why they chose this remote location. 22. The Carnac Stones, France. Stretching over 12 kilometers in Brittany, France, the Carnac Stones consist of more than 3,000 standing stones. Dating back over 7,000 years, their purpose is unknown. Are they markers for celestial events? A massive burial site? Or something else entirely? 21. The Bimini Road, Bahamas. Submerged off the coast of the Bahamas Bimini Road is a series of underwater stone formations. While some claim it's a natural phenomenon, others believe it's evidence of the lost civilization of Atlantis. Could this be a glimpse into a forgotten world? 20. The Anasazi Cliff Dwellings, USA. Nestled in the cliffs of the American Southwest, the Anasazi Cliff Dwellings seem impossibly placed. Built over 1,000 years ago, their exact purpose and the reason for their eventual abandonment remain subjects of debate. 19. Derinkuyu Underground City, Turkey. Beneath Turkey's Cappadocia region lies Derinkuyu, an underground city capable of housing 20,000 people. Complete with ventilation shafts, storage areas, and defenses, this subterranean marvel raises a haunting question. What were they hiding from? 18. Teotihuacan, Mexico. The pyramids of Teotihuacan stand as a testament to a long-lost civilization. This sprawling city was abandoned centuries before the Aztecs arrived, who named it the place where gods were created. But who were its original builders? 17. The Tarxian Temples, Malta. Dating back to 3150 BCE, the Tarxian Temples are some of the most complex prehistoric ruins in Malta. Their intricate carvings and advanced construction techniques leave experts puzzled about the identity of their creators. 16. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. At over 11,000 years old, Göbekli Tepe is the world's oldest known temple. Built by hunter-gatherers long before the invention of agriculture, it raises profound questions about human society's capabilities at the time. 15. The Hypogeum of Ħal-Saflieni, Malta. An underground necropolis carved entirely by hand, the Hypogeum of Ħal-Saflieni is a maze of chambers and passageways. Its acoustic properties are so advanced, they amplify sound. Was this intentional? And if so, why? 14. Machu Picchu, Peru. Perched high in the Andes, Machu Picchu is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. Yet its true purpose remains a mystery. Was it a royal retreat, a religious sanctuary, or something more? 13. Nabta Playa, Egypt. Long before Stonehenge, the desert of Nabta Playa hosted a complex of stone circles and alignments. Believed to track celestial events, this site hints at an advanced understanding of astronomy by a prehistoric culture. 12. Longyu Caves, China. Discovered in 1992, the Longyu Caves in China were carved from solid rock with unimaginable precision. Over 2,000 years old, they are an engineering marvel with no known historical records to explain their origin or purpose. 11. Chavín de Huántar, Peru. Nestled in the Peruvian Andes, Chavín de Huántar served as a ceremonial center. Its intricate network of tunnels and advanced water drainage systems suggest a highly sophisticated culture, but its rituals remain a mystery. 10. The Great Serpent Mound, USA. Stretching nearly a quarter mile in Ohio, the Great Serpent Mound aligns perfectly with celestial events. Yet the identity of its builders, and their intent, remains uncertain. 9. The Plain of Jars, Laos. In the misty mountains of Laos lies the Plain of Jars, where thousands of massive stone jars are scattered. Their purpose is unclear. Are they ancient burial urns, or remnants of some long-lost tradition? 8. Rum el-Hiri, Golan Heights. Known as the Wheel of Giants, Rum el-Hiri is a massive stone structure built thousands of years ago. Its astronomical alignments suggest it was used as a calendar or for rituals, but its builders remain unknown. 7. Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. Rising nearly 200 meters above the Sri Lankan jungle, Sigiriya is an ancient fortress with frescoes and advanced water gardens. Was it a palace, a monastery, or something else? The true story is as elusive as the clouds it touches. 6. Baalbek, Lebanon. In the ancient city of Baalbek, Lebanon, lies one of history's greatest enigmas, a sprawling temple complex featuring megalithic stones, some weighing an astonishing 1,200 tons. These massive blocks, known as the trilithon, were precisely cut, transported, and aligned with incredible accuracy, defying the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations as we understand them. Built upon layers of history, from Roman temples to earlier foundations of unknown origin, Baalbek has fueled debates about its builders and their methods. Was it human ingenuity, lost technology, or something even more extraordinary? 5. Great Zimbabwe. The massive stone walls of Great Zimbabwe are an architectural marvel. Built without mortar, they have stood for centuries, yet their true purpose and the identity of their builders remain contested. 4. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Submerged beneath the crystal-clear waters off Japan's Yonaguni Island lies a baffling enigma, the Yonaguni Monument. This massive underwater structure features sharp angles, terraces, and steps that resemble the remnants of an ancient city. Discovered in 1986, it has sparked intense debate among scientists, divers, and archaeologists. Some argue that the formations are the result of natural geological processes, while others suggest they are evidence of an advanced prehistoric civilization that thrived before rising seas submerged the area. Adding to the mystery are unexplained carvings and shapes that hint at human craftsmanship. Is this nature's work, or humanity's lost legacy? 3. Cahokia, USA. Nestled near modern-day St. Louis, Cahokia was once the largest pre-Columbian city north of Mexico, flourishing between 1050 and 1350 CE. At its peak, it housed tens of thousands of people and featured over 120 massive earthen mounds, the largest being Monk's Mound, a monumental structure standing 100 feet tall. The city exhibited advanced urban planning, with precise layouts, ceremonial plazas, and evidence of trade networks stretching across North America. Yet, its sudden decline and eventual abandonment remain a mystery. Was it environmental collapse, social unrest, or something else? 2. Sarmizegetusa Regia, Romania. Hidden deep within Romania's Carpathian Mountains, Sarmizegetusa Regia stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Dacians. Once their capital, this mysterious site features intricate stone structures and sacred sanctuaries that align perfectly with celestial events, showcasing a profound understanding of astronomy. The site's advanced engineering includes meticulously constructed terraces and drainage systems, far ahead of their time. Despite being over 2 millennia old, its true purpose remains unclear. Was it purely a spiritual hub, a fortified stronghold, or both? 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. And finally, the Great Pyramid of Giza, arguably the most mysterious structure in human history. Built with mathematical precision that aligns with celestial bodies, its construction techniques and true purpose remain one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Was it a tomb, a power plant, or something beyond our comprehension? The truth may never be known. The stories behind these structures remind us that the past holds secrets we may never fully uncover. Which of these mysteries intrigues you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on the next journey into the unknown.